In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a record in Adalo. First, log into your Adalo account. Click on the database icon on the left-hand side to view all your database collections and the number of records in each. Select the database from which you want to delete a record. Once you open the database, click on Records, or alternatively, click the three dots next to the database and select View or Edit Records. A window will open showing all the records. To delete a single record, check the box at the start of that record and the Delete option will appear. To delete multiple records, check the boxes for each one you want to remove. To delete all records at once, check the box at the top of the column. After selecting the records, click Delete Records and then OK to confirm. Click Done when finished, and the selected records will be successfully deleted. If you are unable to delete records, it usually means you do not have the necessary permissions. Contact the Adalo account administrator to grant you the permissions required to perform deletions. Deleting records helps keep your database clean and relevant by removing outdated or unnecessary data, and this is how you can navigate between different screens in Glide.